Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat, final term for 2021-22. And I welcome you all in grade 3D as well in your final term in your computer class. I'm your teacher, Fazal Ikram Zai, and I am really proud of you, my children, that you have shown a very remarkable result. It was an awesome result, and I hope that you keep on learning new things, and we will be exploring new things in this term as well. So let's move towards new work. And yes, now inshallah we will be learning unit number 8. Yes, that's a new software we will be working in, that's TuxPaint. And that's unit number 8, enjoy with TuxPaint. And in today's lesson, we will learn about this TuxPaint. So before we go on for today's work, let's quickly revise that you people will be introduced to TuxPaint software. We will learn that how you can install and download TuxPaint in your computers. An introduction to TuxPaint will be given and how you can open it in your Windows laptops. So let's move on. Before we go for this unit, remember my children, you need to make a term tag. Yes, like the notebooks you people have, you can just fold them like this, make a triangle and add it over here. It's up to you. You can add different colors, drawings as well, and you need to write final term 2021 and 22. Once you are done with it, your notebook will be ready for this final term. So let's move on and see that how now you can download this interesting software. Yes, this is the logo. This is a penguin and this is the main logo layout of your TuxPaint. And we will be learning in it that how you can make your drawings colorful and new things you can explore in this one. So today's task is you have to install TuxPaint using the link given below. There are for laptops, the computer Windows, the link is there, tuxpaint.org. And for the Android gadgets, you can simply go to the tuxpaint.org and we will be discussing in this lesson that how you can carry out these steps as well. So let's go to the Chrome window and see that how you can do it. Now you can see this Explorer browser, any of the browser, Google search. When you open over here, you need to write over here TuxPaint free download. Once you click on this one, see this tux.org download, click on it. When we go over here, a window will come over in front of you. This is the official page for TuxPaint. That's a drawing software for children. So here are the versions options are there for you. If you're using a Windows, for Windows 10, 11, 8, 7 Vista, you can click on this option. For Windows 2000 and XP, go for this option. Simply once you're done with it, for Apple and Linux, the links are also given. Simply you need to click on it, download it as well. And for Android as well, you can open this web address on your phones, on Android devices, even on your tabs. And from here, once you click it, you can download the file. So I will be using over here the Windows because I'm working from a laptop. When I click on it, I will just close this ad over here. See, the download has been started. they will ask me again which bit I have to go for. My Windows is 64. For this, you need to ask your parents that which option you're going to select. Take help from any of your elder at your home. So I will go for it. And once you carry out with this one, simply it will download in your, see the download will start shortly. This way you people can download it very easily, and once you will download, the logo will appear in your startup menu in your Windows. I hope it is clear to you, my children. So now we have downloaded and installed the TuxPaint software. So I will just quickly revise with you that TuxPaint is a software like a paint, simple MS Paint, but in which we had worked earlier in the previous session. So it is also meant for drawing and painting. But along with the drawing and painting, you can add sound effects to your drawings. On the layout window, a bit different, and this penguin is the sign, the logo main one for TuxPaint. And yes, remember, this is a free software. There is a variety of tools for children in it, and many funny sound effects are there when you select any of the tools. I hope, my children, you will be enjoying working in TuxPaint. And simply once you install it on your gadget, on your laptop, how you can open it, you just have to select on the start button, and then in the all programs, you have to look for this logo, the TuxPaint. And you have to go for TuxPaint Windows version, or the windowed is written in front of it. You have to go for it. So inshallah, in the next class, we will be working in this TuxPaint. Here is the window layout of the TuxPaint. It looks like this, and we will be discussing the components in it in the next lesson. I hope, my children, it is going to be a fun to work in this interesting software. And now with this, we have come to the end of our today's lesson. Let's quickly summarize it. Yes, we have introduced the TuxPaint software, that is an paint and drawing software. We learned the steps that how you can install and download it. And we have learned that how you can open it as well. So keep on learning new things. And yes, it's your time for opening the Google Classroom, because it's your quiz time. The things over there are related to the things we have discussed today in this lesson about the basics of TuxPaint. And I wish you all best of luck and many, many congratulations. Keep up your great work. Hope to see you, inshallah, in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz, my children.